on her phone. Hopefully that's visible. What number do we have? KV07EYT. Everybody is on their phone yesterday and today. This ground is fun. You can see the eyes looking down. Come on, man.
It's traffic, man. I'll get it.
It's wrong. You know, and look at it in the highway code.
Yeah.
And in 2022 they strengthened the law specifically around people who are stopped.
Yeah, man.
When they could have made it legal, but they chose not to.
Sorry, mate.
Appreciate the polite response. And nice tattoos. After you, mate. I'm gonna get through anyway at some point. Afternoon.